Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to figure out if a point is on a line. So let's have a look at this question. I want you to tell me if the point -1, 4 is on the following lines. So let's do this together. So remember, coordinates are always given in the form of x, comma, y. So -1 represents our x value, 4 represents our y value. So to figure out if this point is on the line, all we have to do is sub in the values into our equation and see if it holds true. And if it does, then the point is on the line, and if it doesn't, then it's not. So let's do this together. So what I'm going to do, the points, remember, are -1, 4. So wherever I see x, I'm going to sub in -1, and wherever I see y, I'm going to sub in the 4. So my first equation is y equals -2x plus 2, and let's sub in the values. So instead of y, I'm going to sub in 4, and instead of x, I'll sub in 1, and let's work this out. So if you still have 4 there, -2 times -1 is +2, and then you've just got +2 plus 2, which actually is 4. So my left-hand side does equal my right-hand side. Therefore, the point which was -1, 4, is on the line. Smiley face. Nice. So hopefully that makes sense. So all you're actually doing is sub in the values, and if the equation holds true, then it is on the line, and if it doesn't hold true, it's not. Okay, so let's try the second one. You might be able to do this by yourself now. You might want to give it a go, and then just continue watching this to check your answer. So let's check your answers now. So the equation for the second one was 3x plus 3y, and we want to know if that equals to 2, and the point was -1, 4. So remember, wherever I see x, I'm going to sub in -1. Wherever I see y, I'm going to sub in 4. So we've got 3, and instead of x, let's sub in -1. Notice how I always, when I substitute, use brackets. Really important for the negative values because you're multiplying, and if you don't put in the brackets, it gets confusing as what mathematical operation you're doing. So anyway, we would have 3 brackets -1 plus 3, and then y is 4, and I want to know if that equals to 2. So 3 times -1 is -3. 3 times 4 is 12. And then you've got -3 plus 12, which is 9. So 9 does not equal to 2. Left-hand side does not equal to right-hand side. Therefore, the point, which was -1, 4, is not on the line. Beautiful. Nice and easy. Hopefully you're feeling good about this question. They're pretty nice questions if you get questions like this. They're just basically substituting in. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully you feel good, you're having fun, and in the next lesson we'll do some more linear equations and plotting graphs. Thanks for watching. See you next time.